All right, let's talk about something you probably have in your kitchen right now. Honey. I'm willing to bet that by the end of this, you're never going to look at that little jar the same way again.
So I gotta ask, what pops into your head when you hear the word honey? For most of us, it's that classic golden, sweet, sticky stuff, right? Well, what if I told you that's just scratching the surface? Get ready, because we're about to dive deep.
The thing is, honey is unbelievably diverse. I mean, it's like a world tour in a jar. And the secret? It's all about the flower. Seriously, the color, the taste, the smell, it all comes down to where that tiny bee decided to get its nectar. That one choice, it changes everything.
Okay, so where do we even begin with all this variety? Let's start with what we know, right? The classics. I'm talking about those familiar, friendly honeys that you've probably had a million times.
Let's look at two big ones, clover and citrus honey. Clover honey, that's the one most people picture. It's light, it's golden, it's just sweet. But then you've got citrus honey. It's also light-colored, but whoa, it has this amazing floral smell, you know? Right there, you can see how two honeys that look similar can taste and smell completely different.
And that's not even the half of it. You can get honey that tastes a little like anise or has a hint of basil. There's even moringa honey. It's wild how much variety there is just in that light and sweet group alone.
Okay, we've done the light stuff. Now let's head over to the dark side. We're talking about the dark, rich, and really complex honeys. These guys have personality. And this is where it gets super cool. You've got cotton honey, which has this awesome reddish color. Banana honey is really, really dark. But check this out. Forest honey? It's not even made from flowers. Nope. Bees actually collect this sweet stuff called honeydew that insects leave on trees. How crazy is that? And it makes this super dark, intense honey.
And you know, that dark color isn't just for looks. It's kind of a clue. It often means the honey is packed with more good stuff. A lot of these darker varieties, like cotton and banana, are loaded with minerals, especially iron. So if you're still thinking honey is just sweet, these next ones will blow your mind. Dark honeys can be, well, pretty wild. You've got spurge honey that's actually pungent and sharp. Sourwood honey can be kind of tangy, almost acidic. And macadamia honey? Wow, it has this super strong flavor you will not forget. So, we've covered light and sweet, dark and bold, but there's another level to this. Some honeys are famous for having what I can only describe as, well, superpowers. It's more than just taste. Okay, let's put two heavyweights side by side. You've probably heard of Manuka honey, right? It's famous for its amazing antimicrobial properties. Then you have Sidger honey, and its special power is totally different. It just doesn't crystallize. You can stick it in the cold and it stays perfectly runny.
And speaking of crystallizing, what even is that? A lot of people think it means the honey's gone bad, but nope, it's totally natural. It's just the glucose separating out. Actually, it's usually a good sign. It means your honey is raw and unprocessed. Sometimes, like that banana honey we mentioned, crystallize super fast.
All right, so after all that, the next time you're at the store, that honey aisle is going to look a whole lot more interesting, right? You're officially ready to see past the squeezy bear bottle. The only question now is, which one are you going to try?
So here's a quick little cheat sheet for you. Light color generally means a milder taste. Dark color? That's where you'll find the bolder, more complex flavors. Think about what you might want it for. Maybe something with special properties like Manuka. And hey, the most important rule of all, if your honey gets a little grainy, don't fear the crystals. I mean, just think about it. From a sweet citrus to a sharp, pungent spurge, from reddish cotton to a dark forest honey that isn't even from a flower. The world of honey is absolutely huge. So with literally hundreds of different kinds out there, what flavor are you going to go discover next?